Okay, on this video we will be making a new shelf. Now to the left of the other shelves you can see this arrow, and I want you to click on it and go to new shelf, then rename it to modeling. Okay guys, so now that you've got a new shelf, you need some new tools. Now to add some tools you need to hold down Control, Shift and left mouse click. Now the tools that we need are delete by type history. Also need to create polygon, sphere, cube, cylinder. Make sure the interactive creation is off. We also need combine, separate, extract. We need fill hole and mirror geometry. We also need extrude, bridge, append poly, interactive split tool, which will be called split polygon tool if you're using Maya 2011 or 2010 or anything under 2012. We also need insert edge loop tool. We also need duplicate face, the merge, delete edge vertex and bevel. We also need reverse normals and harden edge, and that's it. And also if you've added your tools in twice or 3 times like I have, just hold down your middle mouse button and drag it to the bin. And also if you want, you can add in display polygons, face normals, and there we go, that's it. Okay, now that we've got a shelf done, we need to set up the image plane. So click here for your foreview, or you can click spacebar, go to your side, go to view, image plane, import image, then get the image that you want, which is the AK-47. Now as you can see, it's in the centre of a scene which we don't really want. So click up to the channel box, or if you want, hold down Control and click A, then hold down Control and click A again to get to it. Now this needs to be 35, 35. Yours will be 35, 35. I don't know why mine went to 18, 18, whatever. Now we need to change our position in X. As you can see, this is plus X. We need to move it back in minus. So you can either drag it back like this, which is clicking on the title and name of it and holding the middle mouse button and dragging it, or you can just type it in minus 12. Now in Y, I don't know why, just zero out that. In Y we need it down a bit. Y, we need it down a bit, so about 3, okay, and that should do. If it's not the same width or height, just type in 35, 35 and all this should match up. Okay guys, so now we've done the shelf and we've done the image, we will be modelling. Now I'm going to be using hotkeys and shortcuts. If you guys don't know how to use the shortcuts or what hotkeys to use, just leave me a comment. I'll do another video on that. If you don't know how to move a camera, okay, just leave me a comment and I'll do a video on that as well. Now click spacebar to go into your side view or your 4 views. I want you to kill out the front, kill out the top. Oops. So you've got this, and then I want you to just get a nice position for your camera in the perspective. I like it about here. Okay. Okay, now click the cube. Now as you can see, it's in wireframe mode, which you can't see the actual cube itself. So click 5 and click 5 in your side view, and now you can actually see it. Now drag it up to the butt, keep that cool position for your camera, and then click R to scale it. You can click here to scale and drag it back up, scale again. Now hold down Control and click A twice, then this comes up. Now you want the scale X to be 3, okay. Now go hold down your right mouse button and go to vertex, but before we do that we want to be able to see the image through the model itself. So click this X-ray here, and now pull these vertices to match the image. Okay, now drag these vertices down, and we're only blocking off the model first. So we're not going to add all this detailing like the extruding in here and the extruding out here, or even these little bolts or screws, whatever you want to call them. Now go to face by holding down the right mouse. Okay, now as you can see, your face selection will be like this, and every time when you want to select the back, you're going to have to do this, or you can do this and then do that. But I'll tell you an easy way to do it, and that's by going to Windows, setting preferences, go into selection and center. Okay, now when you go to a face, you gotta hit these middle faces here, and you can see it selects it, so you can keep your camera here and just select that face without selecting these other faces and all that lot. So select the back face and then click extrude, and now we're going to click W and we're going to move out. Okay, now we want to go to vertex, and we want to link it up to about here, just before the actual rubbery bit comes out. We want this down here. Okay, now again go to face and select the back face and extrude, and click W again, and this time we can move it out a bit and just scale it a bit, and click G to redo the extrude, and just pull it out a bit, and click R to scale and just pull it in a bit. Now I know it doesn't match your picture, but if you want you can go to vertex and then just pull this down, pull this in, and then pull this up, pull it out a bit, and now okay. So go back to the front of a butt, then go to a face, select this face here, then click extrude, then pull it out a bit, and about here where it's finished sloping down, go to vertex, grab a vertex, pull it down. Okay, pull this one up. Now we're trying to go for a clean topology, which is keeping all the edges straight and all that lot. We don't want any dodgy ones like this at the moment. Okay, so about there, just zoom in a bit there, and go back to your face, select the front face again, extrude, just pull it out. It should be able to go all the way out. Go to a vertex, pull it up to about here where the metal bit starts, and then pull this one to the bottom of it. Okay, we'll add all these bits in later, because remember we're only blocking it off. Now go to face, select the face again, extrude. Now we're going to click this, the red cube, we're going to push it in a bit, then we're going to get the green cube, push it down a bit, and then we're going to just pull it out and see how it looks, and yeah, that should be fine. And then just pull it all the way out into the actual body of the AK-47. Okay, and it looks a bit dodgy. Yeah, I think we're going to have to harden the edge. As you can see now, it's back to normal. If yours does that, just click up here. Also go to lighting, two-sided. Yeah, it's all alright. Face normals, they're good. Okay, and that's it for the butt, and thank you guys for watching.